So Bruel Electronics Company is developing a new product, surge protectors for high voltage electric flows. The cost information below relates to the product. Direct material they are using of this much dollar per unit, direct labor $4, and distribution 0.75, that is 75 cents. Unit cost per unit, that means one labor if works they get this much in an hour maybe. So the company will also be absorbing $120,000 of additional fixed cost associated with this new product. Corporate fixed charge of $20,000 currently absorbed by other products will be allocated to this new product. That means that this is a common cost will be allocated for this. It will be like completely taken into that particular product cost. How many surge protectors must Brewer Electronics sell at a price of $14 to gain this much additional income before taxes? So we have to find out the number of units, right?
Yes.
So we need to find out the target sales or target number of units that will that should be sold to generate a gain of $30,000, right?
Yes.
So what is the formula? Desired like sales level. Okay, so that is fixed cost plus desired profits divided by unit contribution margin is equal to like the number of units required for earning some desired profit of so and so amount, right?
Yes.
So that is the desired sales units. Fixed cost is $120,000. Desired profit is $30,000. Unit contribution margin we need to find out. So that is sales minus variable cost. Sales is $14. Variable cost is how much? 3.25 plus 4 plus 0.75 makes it to around, this is for 8. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. Can you tell me the answer? Hello?
25,000 units.
Yeah, so it is 25,000 units. This much they have to sell to earn a desired profit of $30,000. Right? Shall we move forward? If you are noting it down. Yeah. Next also you have to do same kind of question.
Done, sir.
Okay, next one. Kim is thinking of organizing a fundraiser to support a local charity. She has planned to rent a banquet hall and provide the guests with food, entertainment, and various party favors. She has decided to charge $500 a person. After researching around town, Kim has discovered the following costs. Fixed costs are given 150,000 for rent fee of banquet hall, advertising expenses, entertainment. Variable costs are given. If Kim's goal is to raise $10,000 for her charity, how many people must attend the banquet? So again, this they have to raise for the charity, right? So can I say this is like the kind of $10,000 they have to raise for charity, right? So any target income is given in the question.
The fixed and variable cost is given. We decided to charge 500%.
$500 per person, right? Yeah. Okay. So total contribute, first we will try to find out the contribution margin, unit contribution margin. Okay. So how many units? Nothing is mentioned here. Entertainment, food. Okay. Okay, let's try to find out. Sales minus variable cost is contribution, right?
Yes,
How much is the sales?
500.
The selling price. So how many guests? Did not say anything. They are asking how many people shall attend. What is the variable cost? It's given.
20.
So the following cost. Rent is 150. Entertainment. There is like the data is not complete, I think. Sales. Sales minus variable cost. Sales like $500 per person, but how many persons are coming? That is rental fee, variable cost 20. Variable cost is 20. This question has some mistake. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because in answer option some 120,000 they are mentioning in the second one. I've just checked.
Okay.
So we'll scrap this because 425, 446, it's not matching. They have given 120,000, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So shall we scrap this and move forward? Because this is not matching and some data is missing.
Okay, sir.
So in the solution, what they are doing, they are taking 1 million sales and 7 lakhs as variable cost. But that is the total amount. How we will get that until unless we multiply with the number of people,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So and they haven't given that detail as well. So nothing is there. So like if they would have given total amounts as well, so we would have thought. So I think it's not there, so we'll leave it. Next one we'll go for. So now the statement of income for Dimmel company presented below represents the operating results for the fiscal year just ended. Dimmel had sales of 1800 tons of product during the current year. So 1800 tons. So sales of 1800 tons and the manufacturing capacity of Dimmel's facilities is 3000 tons. This is the capacity, this much they made. This sold. Dimmel company statement of income, sales is given, variable cost is given, contribution, we got fixed cost, we got operating income, everything is given. If the sales volume, they are saying if the sales volume is estimated to be 2100 tons in the next year, and if the prices and costs stay at the same levels and amounts next year, the net income that Dimmel can expect for year 3 is. So they are asking again, like they're asking, but this is also having some controversy. They are asking net income, and here in the answer options they are finding out number of units. What to do? So if strange, and two correct options they are giving. Okay, we will try to find out net income only, no problem. Once you can go through the data, we'll solve. Okay.
Okay.
So state they have given the income statement. Dimmel had sales of 1800 tons of product during current year. Manufacturing capacity is 3000 tons. And the sales volume is 2100 tons in the next year. And they are asking net income that Dimmel can expect for year 3. That means we are speaking about the next year, right?
Yes.
This is year 2 data and they're asking about the next year.
Yeah, 3.
Fine? Yeah.
Yes.
So 2100 tons. Just a second, somebody. Excuse me. Hello. Yeah, sorry, Samrin. There was a call actually. Yeah. So shall we proceed? Yeah.
Yes.
So 2100 tons next year is what the sales volume should be, and they are asking as per that only they are expecting something, right? Net income. So if I am selling this 2100 as per 500, how much will be my selling price? Hello.
It's around
21 fives are 105.
yes.
105. Okay. So this is my sales. Then what I have to find out is I want to find out the contribution margin. Okay, or contribution, whatever the amount. So what I'll do is I'll find out the contribution margin ratio. With that, it will be easy to find out. So how will I find out the contribution margin ratio? Contribution by sales, right?
Yes.
Into 100. So here contribution margin is given. But why am I finding when contribution margin? Okay, this is as per the year 2. I want to find out as per year 3, right? So contribution margin divided by lakhs. So what is the contribution margin ratio? 45%, right?
Yes.
This I will apply on this sales to find out this year's contribution margin. Because ratios are almost constants, right? 45%. How much is that?
4,72,500.
This is the contribution margin amount of year 3. Then now, what is the formula for operating income? Operating income is contribution margin minus fixed cost. Am I right?
Yes. Operating income.
Yeah, that will give me the operating income, right?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes.
I don't have fixed cost, my contribution margin itself is operating income, but I have fixed cost, right?
Yeah.
So my fixed cost is how much in the question? 247,500. Correct?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
2 lakh
2 lakh
25,000.
25,000. This is my operating income, and operating income is this. Out of from that 40%, if we reduce, we get the net income, right?
Yes.
So this represents 60%. Am I right?
Yeah.
For 60%, if it is 225, for 100% is how much?
Three lakh 75,000.
Sorry,
3,75,000.
3,75,000. Then the options are not there, right? 40% is tax. No, 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 no. Sorry, 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 sorry. Yeah,
Root 2 in 225
yeah. This is like we will reduce 40% from this.
into 60%, we are getting 13 lakh 5,000.
Yeah, no. From
What
this,
we have to do?
just a second, I'm checking. One 100 1 minus 0.40. We got operating income, right? Operating
Yes,
income
sir.
minus
Two
tax
lakh
is net
twenty
income.
thousand. If we do 60%, we are getting 1,35,000
Sorry?
after tax. 2,25,000 on tax. If we do tax, we are getting 1,35,000. Option A,
Yeah,
we are.
yeah, we have to remove tax. Sorry. This is the operating incomes, right? They said net income. I'm sorry. We have to remove taxes. 60% of this we need to take. Okay, how much?
1,35,000.
135. Okay, next question. Next question. Company invested 3 lakh in a new machine to produce cones for the textile industry. Variable cost are 30% of selling price. Fixed cost are 6 lakhs. Company has an effective income tax rate of 40%. Amount of sales required to earn 8% after tax return on its investment would be. They're asking the sales amount, right?
Yes.
Desired sales they're asking. Okay.
Okay.
So investment is this much and 30% of selling price is variable cost, right?
Yeah.
So first, and they have given the
Fixed deposit.
fixed cost also. And tax rate and everything. Okay, so we know that contribution margin is equal to sales. They're asking us amount of sales. So we want to find out the target sales. See, what is the formula for operating income? Contribution margin minus fixed
Fixed
cost. Is it right?
deposit. Yes.
So what is your so what is the like contribution margin? There are a lot of things which aren't given because we don't have sales also. We need to find out sales. So sales minus variable cost is what?
Contribution margin.
Contribution. Sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost is what?
Profit.
Profit, right?
Yes. Yes.
See, sales minus variable cost is contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost is
Profit.
profits, right?
Yeah.
Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
Is equal to, so profit is always nothing but equal to return on investment, whatever we do. Okay. See, we may get some return on investment, right? Let's say it is like some amount
Yeah.
divided by 1 minus 0.30 tax rate in this question.
Oh.
So what is that going to give? What is the
40%.
return? Sorry,
Tax rate is 40%. No, sir.
tax rate is how much in this? Yeah, 40%. So this is almost, let's say our return on investment is 100. Just a second. Return on investment. See, actually, if I want to see, let's say my return on investment is 10%. Okay. How
Okay.
much?
10%.
10%, right? It's minus variable cost minus fixed cost is equal to amount of sales required to earn 8% after tax return on its investment would be. So 8% I'll put it amount of sales on investment. That means I have to apply this on my investment value and that will give me my sales figures. No, return figures. Okay. Return on investment Return on investment, well, the formula for ROI is $10,000 if I have made the profits of, that is net income by invested capital, and my capital investment is 1 lakh. So my return on investment will be 10%, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 10%.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. So this is in terms of percentage. In terms of dollars, ROI into invested amount will be in terms of dollars. You agree with this or not? That means 10% into 1 lakh is going to give me how much?
10,000.
10,000. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, return on investment, let's say percentage I apply to the total investment, I get the net income. So net income is equal to ROI into investment. That is what I'm understanding, correct?
Okay.
Correct?
Netting. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
net income is equal to return on investment into investment. See, investment value into return on investment is net income, right? Net
Yeah.
income by capital invested is return on investment, correct?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So now this is what we are deriving. But here what they have taken is return on investment divided by 1 minus tax rate. So 24,000 something they are getting. So it is 6 lakh 40 divided by 0.60. Just a second, give me a second. 24,000 divided by 60%. 0.60. 0.60. Okay. Yeah. So what they are using is they are trying to multiply return, they are whatever the returns you are going to get, that is after tax returns. What is that?
After tax.
Yeah, so if at all 24,000 is my return,
Okay.
okay, this is after tax returns. What is this?
After tax returns.
So before, let's say example 24,000 is after tax return, let's say, and tax rate is 40%. So what is your before tax return? So we can calculate, right? For after tax means 100 minus 40, 60, correct?
Yes.
So 60% represents 24,000. So 100% is how much? 40,000, correct or wrong?
Yeah,
Yeah.
40,000.
So if I divide this with 0.60, the resultant answer is this. This is before tax, this is after tax. This is like in the sense that means 40,000 is what?
Before tax income.
Before tax, and after tax is 24,000. Okay. So this, if I divide with 1 minus tax rate, I get before tax return. So income by 1 minus tax rate gives me before tax income.
Okay.
That is what we understood. Now continuing here. So sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost is equal to, we are trying to find out before tax income, because sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost is what? Income, right?
Income. Yes.
Net income, correct or wrong?
Yeah. Right.
Correct.
Yes.
And income by 1 minus tax rate is before tax income, correct or wrong?
Yes.
So that is what we are going to derive now. So sales is how much?
Sales is not given. So.
Not given. Sales minus variable cost is 30% of sales, right? As per the question.
Yes.
So 0.3 into sales minus fixed cost is 6 lakhs as per the question is equal to the investment is 8%, right? 0.08 into the investment value is 3 lakhs, correct or wrong?
Oh, yes, sir.
Divided by 1 minus tax rate. That will give me before tax income. So 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. 0.70 sales
Sales.
minus 6 lakhs is equal to, if I solve this, I'll get 40,000. Okay.
Okay.
0.70 sales is equal to, if I take 6 lakhs, it will become 6.4 lakhs. 6
Yeah.
lakh 40,000.
Right, sir.
Sales is equal to 6 lakh 40 divided by 0.70. So the answer would be this. Please calculate.
Yes, sir. Got in points.
Yeah, shall we move forward?
Yeah, I'll note it down, sir. Just.
Yeah.
Done, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Shall we go for next one?
Yes.
A company that sells its single product for $40 per unit had after tax net income for the past year of this much. So this is after tax. So they are selling their product for, I'll open a new page. This is very untidy. Company that sells its single product for $40 per unit had after tax net income for the past year as this. After applying an effective tax rate of 40%, projected cost for manufacturing and selling its single product in coming year are listed below. So this is what they have given. Just a second. Yeah. So a company has learned a company that sells its single product for $40 had after tax net income for the past year. This after applying an effective tax rate of 40%, the projected cost for manufacturing and selling its single product in coming year are listed below. So they have given the variable cost and they have given all the details of total fixed cost. The company, so what are they asking? They are asking projected cost for manufacturing and selling its single product in the coming year are listed below. What are they asking? Oh, this is the fact pattern. So company has learned that new direct metal is available that will increase the quality of its product. The new metal will increase the direct metal cost by $3 per unit. The company will increase the selling price of the product at $50 per unit and increase its marketing cost also by this much to advertise the higher quality product, the number of units the company has to sell in order to earn a 10% before tax return on sales will be. They are asking number of units, right?
Yes.
How will we find out number of units? So first, for that we need to get the operating income, right?
Yeah.
So company sells its single product for $40 per unit, and what details more they have given? Yeah. So before, so company has to sell in, what is the number of units company has to sell in order to earn a 10% before tax return on sales? So pre-tax return, okay, like if the sales is $100, is $100, let's say, okay, and the tax is how much? 10%, right? So pre-tax, the number of units company has to sell in order to earn a 10% before tax return on sales. So 10% before tax return on sales. Okay. So pre-tax net income, pre-tax net income before tax would be 90%, right? 10% of dollar sales is what actually? So you know already net income is nothing but sales minus variable cost, right?
Yes.
Minus fixed cost, correct or wrong?
Yes. Right.
So what is the number of units we need to sell? X into 50 per unit, right? Minus variable cost would be for the new thing. The variable cost will increase, right? For the new material. The
Yes.
new metal will increase the direct metal cost by $3 per unit on existing one. Existing one is already $18. Now it will be $3 more. Isn't it so?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, still here also we don't know the number of units. The number of units is still a suspense. Minus X into 21. Can I write this?
Okay.
Hello?
But variable
See,
cost
we,
in question we have given 18, so 18 plus 3 is something we have to do. Or 18 into
yeah,
3.
21.
Yeah.
No,
18 into 3. 18
why
plus.
18? No, no, 18 plus 3, right? $3 it is increasing, right?
Yeah.
So it is 21, no?
Yes, sir. Right.
And the fixed cost is going to be increased by that too in the marketing cost by 15 lakh 75,000. Okay. So now we will frame the equation. So sales is how much actually? The return is 10%, right? Return on sales. So return on sales is nothing but net income. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
10% before tax return on sales. 10% returns you are making on sales, correct? So
Yes.
10% of $50 is equal to 10% of $50, right? This is returns, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm taking the number of units as x into 50, okay,
Okay.
okay, minus
21x.
21x minus the previous fixed cost. Actually we need to take the fixed cost increment. So previous fixed cost plus this previous fixed cost is how much? 99,000,000. Correct?
Yes.
Just add and tell me.
1147 5000 something. 5,000.
Okay, 10% of this is 5s.
5.
5 is equal to 50x minus 21x is 19x, right?
Yeah.
No. 50 minus 31x, right? 31x, correct?
Yes, sir. 50 minus 21. 29.
29. 29x. Here also we need to take x because it is on sales, right? Number of units, right? All number of units.
Okay.
X.
5x.
Yeah, because number of units on that only per unit we are going to take, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a second, something. Yeah. So because we are number of units we need to multiply to get the sales value, right? We are taking as per the total now. In
Okay.
totality we are considering. So what we'll do is we'll bring it here and that there. So 1147,500 is equal to 24x. Find out the x value. We'll get the answer.
1,147. 47 lakhs 80. 4,78,125.
Okay,
Okay.
done. Then what we'll do is we will do the 20 questions. Can we do post lunch?
Okay, sir.
It's only 1 p.m. So by 2:30 again we'll connect. Okay, 2:30 around. 2:30 almost we'll connect again. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because it's 1 o'clock, right? It's lunch break, lunch time right now.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, then we will connect at 2:30. Okay, Samrit. We'll continue from 15th question till 20th we'll do, and again we will see from next topic also. In that 1 hour, whatever we can take up, we'll take up. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Samrit. Thank you.
Thank you.